Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a style guide inside of Figma, okay? Now, a style guide is basically like a summary, like a document that contains the main color, the main styles, the main fonts that you use in a specific page, okay, in a specific project, okay? And this is going to be very good, for example, if you're working with a client and you want to show him, the different styles, different colors, the different fonts that you're working on for his project, okay, or for your projects, all right? And for that, you need to create, first of all, your text styles and your color styles, okay, if you're also using them, okay, as I showed you in previous tutorials, okay. So just go to your local styles, go to this plus icon, and you can create any text, color effect, style that you want to have, okay. As you can see here, I have a couple of font styles, okay, and a couple of color styles, okay. So let's say that these are actually representative of my style that I'm using for this page here, although it's really not, because as you can see, there is no blue in here. There's just yellow and green, okay. But let's just say, okay, and this actually font is here. All right, how are you going to create a style guide from this is by going into our plugins, okay. You have to press into your main menu and you have to click on plugins, manage plugins, and then you have to look for automatic style guides, okay. And this is the first result that is going to come, okay. And it's actually a free plugin, which is cool, okay. So just press in here, and now usually you want to press on generate style guide, okay. This is the default option. So just let's press in here, and it's going to take a couple seconds, but a new page is going to be generated, which is this one here, style guide, okay. And if we actually zoom in, we can see that we have a perfect presentation for our styles, okay. We have our color style, which are these two here, perfect, and our fonts, which are these two here, okay. And you can modify this to your liking, okay. You can change whatever you want from here. This is completely customizable for you, okay. And whenever you're ready, just export it to a PDF, okay. Thank you so much, guys.